Right after I finished from the wine tasting, I decided to try out the boat tour.
Welcome, guys.
Awesome.
The bald eagle actually perched on one of the branches right there.
Bald eagle. From my research, it shows the beauty of the Wisconsin River, but the most I look forward to seeing are the canyons and the rock formation discovered by Henry Hamilton Bennett and his wife, and the famous site where the shutter, which is now all have on our phone and cameras, was discovered after 14 trial by the Stand Rock.
Wow, look at that. That's beautiful.
So we just arrived at the Witch's Goal right now. The boat just stopped real quick for us to take a walk and see what the area is like. Hopefully we don't miss our boat, because if we do, then we're screwed. We'll probably have to swim all the way back. It feels like you're walking in between canyons and solid rocks and trees, and oh boy, isn't this beautiful? So it is called the Whirlpool Chambers.